Hi, Ashwin.
Good afternoon.
Welcome back to this channel where I seek your guidance and your expertise so that I can improve my financial intelligence. And I want to share this with my viewers. There is this particular event that was quite shocking yesterday. I called my bank and I wanted to change some ringgit into Sing dollars, but he informed me that the Sing dollar is trading at record highs. I think he said it was 3.41 yesterday.
That's correct, Tessie. The Singapore dollar on 25th May posted its best weekly advance in more than 3 months against the ringgit on the back of successive policy tightening by the MAS and capital inflows. You see, although traders think that this happened because of the anticipated weakness in the Chinese economy, we think otherwise, and we are looking at the broader picture, and we expect the ringgit to weaken further against the Singapore dollar.
This is not good at all for Malaysians. Just last few weeks ago, we were blindsided by another interest rate hike by Bank Negara.
Now, let me explain, Tessie. We're not so worried about the interest rate hike because sooner or later, all the Asian central banks are going to already stop raising interest rates. Negara just wanted to do a Me Too factor. But let me explain the bigger picture. Since January, we have been telling investors that Singapore has been attracting a lot of billionaires. Okay, and if there's any problem in the region, Singapore's dollar and its stock market have become the Rock of Gibraltar. We are now witnessing this.
How can Malaysians mitigate this situation of the low ringgit and the interest rate hikes? How can we get out of this, better than before and make some money?
There are three ways, Tessie. And just to let you know, for your account, we have been buying Singapore stocks since last year in May. We already acted for you even before it happened. Now, the first way to produce active income is for investors to buy quality Singapore companies. Okay, and let me tell you something else. One of them has climbed more than 60% since last October. It's a very big play. That's the one way. Okay, where you can make 20 to 30% per trade on quality Singapore companies. This is real. The second way is a managed fund that pays you 8% per month, which translates to 2% per week. That's the second way. And this
is something we could all use.
Yeah, this means your ROI can be covered in 8 months, and you can make as much as 90% in 12 months.
Wow.
Managed fund. And the third way, I haven't finished yet. The third way is a staking fund that pays you 0.25% per week, which translates to 1% per month. So you see, Tessie, Malaysians can make money this way. They already can make 20% per trade in 12 months through a quality Singapore company. And then they make 2% per week, 8% per month, okay, or even 9% per month on a managed fund. The third way is they make 1% more per month on a staking fund. This is the way, a surefire way for Malaysians to mitigate the risk as the ringgit drops against the Singapore dollar.
Wow, I have a lot swimming in my mind at the moment, and I think all of us who are serious about doing better on our bottom lines can actually give you a call and find out more, because this, raises a whole host of questions that we probably want clarity on. How do we reach you, Ashwin?
I can be reached at bit.ly/algotrader, which will land you into our WhatsApp page, because our website, algomasters.com, is still under construction. I must say this before we part, that this is something serious. Okay, it's not just a flash in the pan. The Singapore dollar will rise further against the ringgit. And let me add, why Singapore is involved in a big way in the artificial intelligence wave as well. And this is a wave. I was just talking to clients this morning. I was telling my clients that artificial intelligence is real. It is not a fad. I repeat it on video. Artificial intelligence is not a fad. And right now, immediately, there are 3 companies in the US market that will rise 30% each over the next 12 months. So you can make 90% on 3 companies in the US market in the next 12 months. And that is active income alone. You should give us a call because there is serious money to be made here. This is not a fad. I repeat, this is not a fad. This is not a flash in the pan like metaverse. It is not. This is getting bigger and bigger day by day. I repeat.
I have a lot of questions. I have a lot of questions, and I'll call you offline, and we will carry forward this discussion. Thank you so much, Ashwin.
bit.ly/algotrader. Thank you very much, Tessie, for inviting me.